cool, wouldn't it? You should see if there's one you want to carve.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what you ought to do? We got to make one for Jake's cigars.
Yeah. Oh, he would love that.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, it would be.
Is he a pretty cool dude?
Oh yeah.
I bet he is. I bet he's
Jake's
kind
a
of
nice
awesome. Isn't
guy.
he? What's that?
Jake's a nice guy.
I bet he is.
Um,
Is he over there at the cigar bar quite a lot?
what was it?
Is he there at the cigar bar a lot?
It just depends. Like during the day, yes.
Right.
He's either there or he goes to Jimmy John's too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The one in Nicholasville. So he's either there or with his family.
Nice. The cigar bar looks a lot more fun than Jimmy John.
Yeah.
Jimmy John's supposed to be a pretty good franchise, though.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
A buddy of mine owns one here in town. One of Richmond.
Oh, okay.
Michael Kepper. I bet they know each other.
Probably. I think all the local franchise people probably know each other.
Jake's Cigar Bar is beautiful, dude.
Oh, it's so cool. It's awesome.
Like, I don't think I've been in a nicer cigar bar than that one.
They recently got on Cigar Aficionado.
Really?
Like, they came and interviewed them and everything. Which is a huge,
That's a huge deal, yeah. Well, they're like in the bluegrass,
Right.
so it's like bourbon and cigars, you know, right?
Right. Kentucky's, you know, that used to be a cash crop.
Right.
A lot of history regarding tobacco.
A buddy of mine, his dad he raised tobacco, and working it occasionally with my buddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've heard there's not.
Nobody does it now. Yeah.
I've heard there's not much harder work than.
Oh, yeah. We're kids too.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Right.
15, 16, you know. They just work their ass off all day
Oh, yeah.
in the sun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No,
And then they'd feed you a bologna sandwich and a Pepsi for lunch. Everybody was just thirsting to death, you know.
Right, it's like, give me water.
Yeah.
Not Pepsi.
Yeah.
Like, give me water.
Yeah, Pepsi and a bologna sandwich on white bread. You're like, yeah, I would like to die.
Oh man. Might as well just give you milk and cookies while you're.
Oh yeah, there was this disgusting, but then you were so hungry.
You're
Like,
gonna
I swear,
eat it.
dude, it was the best bologna sandwich and the best Pepsi I've ever had in my life.
Oh, I'm sure.
But then, like, if I were to have that for lunch today, I'm like, yeah, I'm not that hungry. Yeah, it was the best one I've ever had in my life.
Oh, I'm sure. What was that? I was either in like 8th grade or freshman in high school, and my family friend is a realtor.
Right.
And he got my older brother to do like a mulch job, and it was a pretty big job.
Right.
And so he brought me into coming and doing it with him.
Yeah.
And but we were freaking working to death. And,
Oh yeah.
and my grandpa, the Corbin Communications one, he came over with was it a BLT or something? And it had a big blob of mayo on it. And I'm not a huge mayo person, but I was so hungry. Like you were saying, it didn't matter, and that I don't think I've had one like that since.
Yeah.
You're just starved out.
Starving. Just starved. So hungry. So hungry.
You could have offered me pig's feet already.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'll take it. Thank you.
The stone is so big, it's kind of awkward in some spots.
It's a big stone there. In here.
Oh yeah.
Finishing the stone might call for a celebratory cigar, you know? Celebratory cigar. I didn't break any letters. Turned out nice. Cigar for me. Well done, Stuart. Here's an attaboy cigar. All right, 3 letters in 12 minutes.
Wow.
4 minutes a letter, or number. Couple days. Pretty fast
Yeah.
for what it is. Those go pretty fast.
Is this still recording?
It is, yeah.
Good deal.
Nice way to time yourself, you can see how long it's taking you to do something.
While you're, videotaping.
You know, it's pretty cool.
My back has been so sore.
Has it?
Just from I had a good lifting session Monday, but
You're kind of leaning over a lot.
what was it?
You're kind of leaning over a lot. You're like your bench setup.
Oh,
Leaves a little bit to be desired. I think these right here are about $1,500.
oh yeah.
We sell them every each one.
That looks awesome.
Move my light around a little bit so I can see that one angle. Gotta get my light in there. Still kind of. There we go. No, it's good. You need your light, it's fine. Having that light on there just really helps you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the weather should be nice next week.
Yeah, it was like
Dry
58.
stone. Johnny will be able to get that big load of stone delivered. We work in Lexington for about a month.
Okay. Oh, you got it.
What's that?
Is that the one huge wall?
No, it's not real big. It's a different wall.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
these are actually landscaping walls. But dry stone.
Cool.
It should be really pretty.
Yeah.
I'll get this right here, then I'll sand this down,
Yeah.
and we'll just do a video of the
Yeah.